It has been said that our modern systems of communication are an extension into the external world of man's nervous system. Telephones, telegraph, radio, television, all this network of electronic devices is extending our nervous system in the same way as a wheel extends our feet. But consider, the extension of the nervous system electronically means the end of privacy. The inconvenience of everybody being able to barge in on us by telephone. Double that inconvenience, treble it, with the inconveniences you can imagine for a future technology, where you would not only have the sound of the person's voice on the telephone, but also their visual image. It can be so worked out technically that everybody can be equipped with a little gadget about the size of a pocket watch. On one side there is a dialing system, and on the other side there is a little TV screen. And everybody in the world who possesses one of these things has a number.
Oh, here we go.
And if you ring it and the number doesn't answer, your friend's dead.
But I didn't ring it in.
Imagine. Because you can't not answer. That would be unethical.
It's gone back up to 2
that would
bars
be
now.
inhuman. That would be to advertise yourself as dead. You must answer. Everybody is in touch with everybody else in such a way that it reveals their inmost thoughts, and there is no longer any individuality.
It's old BMXing, mate. Old BMXing.
No privacy.
Coming up riding.
Eventually, after attempting to control your thoughts, you would say to her, I'll think just the way I feel like thinking. Now what we're afraid of, you see, is that some power will control all of us by this method.